All right, first pool at Jeremy's Run. I got my little buddy with me. Let's see what we can get here. Eddie, I'm sorry, I'm starting with a dry dropper. Can't help myself. Hey, stay. Stay. All right, nothing. Nice. Okay. First cast into the pool. Out, you're getting the nymph in me. First brookie. Okay, there you go. See you, buddy. Oh, I got him over on the tree branch. Yep, I lost him. Figured it wasn't a great cast. I didn't mean to have it hanging over the tree branch like I'm doing again. I got you went for it again. Nice. Oh, and he got off too. It's okay. Barbless hooks. That's what happens. Yep. Little fish. Little fish. Okay, got off. All right, gorgeous looking pool. This is one of the many crossings of Jeremy's Run trail in the stream. We're gonna start on this little section and then move over. Let's see how far I can get this cast. I think I left my net over there. Oh, yeah. There's one. Okay. So we'll take the, see ya. Ah. Little guy. Yep. Come in here, buddy. Oh. All right, so there's fish in here at least. Yep. These guys are small. They're probably like 2 years old. Got off. Perfect. Barbless hook. Oh. Couldn't get him again. Oh. I think I just saw a rise. I need to get away from that. Yep. A little better, Brookie. All right, come on. Oh, he's gorgeous, though. All right. He's a very pretty fish. All right. Yep. Oh, that would have been the biggest fish. That was right in the corner. Shoot. Not the same one. Huh? Actually, let's dry this off. But again, I was stripping that streamer technique by dry fly going under and the dropper set up, and instead of just recasting and ripping the flies out of the water, just get tight to them. Oh. Same thing, just kind of figure eighting it along, just waiting to feel a strike. Oh, felt like a medium fish, maybe like 5 inches. Oh, again. Yep. He's small, but the guy up there that just rose is a little bigger. Let's get him off quick. Keep an eye up there. I'm not getting the drift I want. There you go. That's exactly what I wanted, though. That's where he was hitting. Alright, nothing there. Oh, thought I had something. Nice. It's a decent sized brookie too. Oh no, he's okay. But he did give me a dry fly eat. Yep. Oh, you want to take me down there? Come on. Let's take you over here. It actually works just fine. All right. needed to do a good job of eating it, but I set the hook way too quick. I'll just practice my roll cast there. Yep. Ah, it came off. Looked like a good male. He had a lot of orange on him. Another little guy. Let's get him in. And he's off. Dude, they're getting off this hook all too easily. Unless they're not completely swallowing it, but it's a size 16 hook. I mean, I don't know. Hit. Oh, I like that drift. Yep. I think this is the guy I lost before. Yep, dude, they're all coming off. I'm gonna switch. That's annoying. Ugh. Why is that coming off? That's what I'm using, a size 16 pheasant tail. Same hole. I just threw on a junk fly as the dropper. Oh crap, there we go. Haha! Something wanted it. Couple things nabbed at it. I'm having a really hard time keeping my droppers afloat. Might have to go never sink caddis. All right, so my fly's underwater. I can't see it. Yeah, I was just stripping it there. All right, so there's a little log. Yeah, well, right where that water's kind of tumbling over, that makes sense. There's something disturbing it. So that's really shallow. I'm gonna cast right in front of it then. Oh, they're in the ends of the wiggly, like they always do. But the big guys can swallow it. Oh, he went for my indicator, the little piece of plastic tubing. Weird. Yeah, puppy is not happy with me. This is the hole. Oh, little guy went for it. Let's get that farther up. Yep. Oh, he feels like a good fish. Oh, maybe it's because I'm stuck on a stick getting him in. Oh my god. That would be why. Oh, dude. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Damn. Oh, big boy went for it. He did. He went for it. All right, I'm gonna give it a, why am I blanking on this? Dead drift. He liked it with action. Man, he's so visible because of his orange colors. And I can see this male in here because he's got a nice orange belly. And I've nearly hooked him 3 times. Actually, I did hook him my second try, and yeah, I don't know, that pheasant tail was letting him go. All right, so they don't like the dead drift. So what I'm gonna do, because I'm lazy, and I don't really feel like switching my setup, is I strip my dry dropper to give some action. And sometimes I'll go figure 8 with it. All you're trying to do is stay tight to your flies, so in case one of them does get hit, you know what, you're gonna feel that strike and be able to set the hook. And I've gotten 1 fish on it, I think maybe 2 actually today. My first fish was on it. I can't remember if I got another one of the crossings. Yep. I don't know if this is the guy I've been looking for. Now he feels much smaller. I believe I got that last one doing the strip method as well. It's so effective. I mean, like, it happens. Your dry fly is going to drop below the surface when you're doing dropper setup because of the weight of the nymph. So why not keep it in the water? Still get a decent drift through the water column. You just got to remain tight to your flies. That is a beautiful sunset, I've got to say.